G'day DIYers, we're just coming out to the doorway now. See how I've got that toilet pipe filled up with a sponge so no mud goes down there. What I want to do is I'll just put a bit of glue there. I'd like to take that from nothing and then just slope it up. So I've got a bit of a ramp. I'm putting a barn door on the outside here, so to bring my tile out to here will be cool, I think. I reckon. So it's got the weekend to dry off, and then I can waterproof it Monday. I was looking for my trowel. It was right where I left it. So you see now, wherever I put my level, and it's a long level, and I hope you can see that bubble, it's dead level all the way, everywhere on this floor, and it's nice and flat as well. You've got, say, 1.5 mil just slightly down. Well, when you have a 12 mil notchy, that's pretty damn good. If your up and downness is 1.5 mil. In anyone's book, that's a nicely screeded bathroom floor. Now I want a wet sponge. Wherever that is. Here it is. If you've got moisture underneath your glue, that's sticking to the floor. Now, that doesn't have to be super wet, because my wet mud hooks into it and soaks into the glue. It's always easier to overfill, and then you shape it accordingly. I will be running a water stop inside here, so any water, if there's any water there, it won't get past that water stop and come out the door, but it won't get past that water stop at the shower. But if there was a leak at the pipes there at the vanity, there's no way it would come out the door. It would be contained in the bathroom. Take away your excess. And that's good to go. And I'll tell you what, it's the weekend. I just got to wash up and I'm out of here. The owners will be happy. I'll have a bit of peace for the afternoon and over the weekend. And there you go. When you use levels for screeding and you can see the bubble, it's good to see that bubble while you're screeding instead of straight edges. Like I had a comment a little while ago by a person that saying, why would I treat a level so badly using it for screeding? Well, levels aren't just used for putting on a wooden floor, for everything.